Hello, welcome to Flipped. So today we are on percentage mass of an element in a compound. Basically, if we have a molecule ABC, okay, we want to know how many percent of A is in ABC. This is the formula, percentage of mass of element, AR over MR times 100%. So in the case of ABC, if my MR is of ABC, I want to find the percentage of A. So A is the AR here, okay? The AR of A over the MR of ABC times 100%. So if you are still confused over AR, the difference between AR and MR, can refer to our previous video on relative masses. Okay, let's begin with some examples. Okay, so what we have here is to find the percentage mass of hydrogen H in ammonia NH3. So let's write the formula. Percentage mass of hydrogen gives me, okay, AR of hydrogen, we know it's 1, correct, based on the periodic table, but there's 3 hydrogen here. So we have to multiply by 3, okay, over the total MR, which is NH3, N is 14, plus 1 times 3, okay, because it's H3, giving us, okay, 3 over 17. Sorry, before that, we have to, because it's a percentage, so we have to multiply by 100% first, okay, and then we simplify this to 3 over 17 times 100%, and this will give us the grand total of around 17.647, which we can round off to 17.6%. Okay, so please recall that, please be reminded, okay, that all percentage calculation is in 3SF, 3 significant figures. Next, we talk about the percentage of nitrogen N in nitric acid HNO3. Okay, so it's similar. Percentage mass of N, we just write down, equals to, we know N is, there's only 1 here, and based on a periodic table, N has a mass of 14, over total mass here, let's do one by one. H is 1, N is 14, O is 16, plus, but there's 3 of them, so we times the 3, okay, times 100%. Okay, so I'm skipping this step now, because if you use calculator, you don't have to mind this step, you don't have to write this step at all. Okay, you can just write the answer equals to 22.2%. Okay, this is also in 3SF. Okay, so note that I'm skipping this step. Okay, but I did not write this step. Okay, but you can write this. Step is quite important, just that to minimize the space taken. So I just ignore this step. But please, you have to write this step and show the conversion here to 3SF. Okay, so that's the N for percentage mass of element, which is really just taking the AR of something, in the case A here, over MR, which is ABC, usually a molecule. Okay, times 100%, will give you the percentage mass of an element in a compound. Okay, that'll be all.